Are you looking for ultra-low power and energy-efficient microcontrollers for your next IoT design? Look no further than the Renesas RA2 microcontroller series. Greetings, I'm Ashish Ahuja at Renesas Electronics. In this video, I will show you the innovation kits for the RA2L1 and RA2E1 microcontroller groups. Using these innovation kits, you can quickly and easily develop proof of concepts for cost-sensitive applications that demand tight power budget and have space constraints. We'll talk about the key features of the kits, unbox them, run the quick start example project that is pre-programmed on them. So let's open the box and look at what's inside. To help you get started effortlessly, the kits come with a welcome card that has useful links to get information and technical support, required accessories, and MCU board with pre-mounted pin headers and pre-programmed quick start example project. These kits are part of a product lineup that provides an unparalleled combination of standardization and flexibility that helps you shorten the learning curve, speed up development, allow time for differentiated innovation, and take your end products to market faster. The boards consist of two sections. The first section consists of the ecosystem and system control area that features onboard debugging, ecosystem expansion, serial connectivity, power regulation, user IOs, reset, and boot configuration. This section is standard on all the boards based on this architecture. The second section is unique to each board. It comprises the native MCU pin access area that provides direct access to the RA2E1 and RA2L1 terminals via male pin headers, and also provides clamping loop for current measurement. Let's power up the kits now and run the quick start example project. Use the provided micro USB cable to connect the kit to the host PC via USB debug port. The white power LED will light up. The blue user LED will flash, indicating that the quick start example project is executing. Next, we will use the Sager RTT viewer application on the host PC to communicate with the RA MCU on the kit via onboard debugging MCU. The RTT viewer is included in the J-Link software and documentation pack, which can be downloaded from sager.com. Launch the RTT viewer. Select the connection type as USB and RTT control block on auto detection. The terminal window will welcome you with a menu to select options from. Enter 1 in the input box to view the kit information. The unique ID and the die temperature of the RA MCU on your kit will be displayed along with frequency and intensity of the blinking blue LED. Press the user buttons S1 and S2 on the kit and see the LED parameters change dynamically in the RTT viewer. Once you are done playing with the quick start example project, you can further examine the functionality of the RA microcontrollers by programming many other example projects onto the kits. These example projects can be used as a building blocks for creating complex applications, and these are provided in the example project bundle. The innovation kits also feature multiple debugging modes that allow you to debug the RA microcontroller on the kits or on your custom boards. The kits are also compatible with popular ecosystems. The expansion ports allow you to conveniently enhance the functionality of the kits by simultaneously connecting several third-party add-ons. You may also connect a general-purpose prototyping board to implement custom functionality, enabling you to quickly put together various sophisticated end-world applications. To learn more about the kits and order them, please visit the kit webpage. This is where you can download the Quick Start Guide, user manual, example project bundle, schematics, bill of materials, design files, manufacturing files, drivers, middleware, and development tools. So in this video, we looked at the new EK-RA2E1 and EK-RA2L1 innovation kits using which you can effortlessly develop differentiated IoT and embedded products and take them to market faster. We hope that you enjoy innovating these kits as much as we have enjoyed developing them. Order them today to bring your big ideas to life.